Good afternoon, Mike Palmer from Mike Palmer Homes. I'm not going to make this video real long, but this is continuing in our framing series. I've been kind of trying to chronicle this house going up. So, showed you when I showed you the floor rafters, the wall framing, all this. Now we're at the tail end. They've got the roof sheathing on. That's a plywood on the roof and on the side. So the next thing is we got roof. They just finished this up a little while ago. So we got the roof shingles coming tomorrow. And then we're going to get the roof on as soon as we can. We've told the guys because we don't want this to get rained in. Unfortunately, it's supposed to rain tonight, so we missed that, but I don't think it'll be a hard one. But you know, you're never going to get a house. Well, it can happen, but it's very rare with no rain on it. But when you keep it to a minimum, you know, wood just holds up better. That's just part of it. But you can see they got all the plywood on the roof. They got all the soffit and fascia boards on. But see, it's a nice, neat job. Everything's nice and tight, and that's going to make it easier on the siding people, because if those overhang boards are all crooked, it makes it that much harder. And our siding people are so meticulous. If it's crooked, they'll just tear it off. But you can look down the boards here, nice and straight. This stuff we look for, nice and straight. I don't know if you can see all that, but I can see it. Anyway, so that's all going to look great. Now that the house is up, this is the most exciting part, because the house takes shape and you can start to see what it looks like. Let me show you. We built the same house plan, well, the same but different, right over here about 10 years ago in the same neighborhood. You can see that. It's called the Garden Hill. That was the Frank Betts version of it. We since bought the plan that we can manipulate because we wanted to make the kitchens a little more current, a little more modern. But anyway, let's get over here. See all the siding and everything. I don't know if you can get a good look there. That's what it's all going to look like when it's done, except of course we got different brick colors and we got dark windows and we got some stuff that's a little more contemporary, what people are wanting nowadays as opposed to before. So we're going to have a little more of that craftsman style on this. But you see the 3-car garage and the dormer. The dormer is going to be over the bonus room, and you know, once we have to put a house wrap, or people call it tieback. There's different brands, but that's a vapor barrier. It goes behind the siding. But anyway, when this is all done, I'll walk through and show you some of the things we look for on our framing punch. We call our framing punch list. Different list of things we have to do. There's still a lot of work to do inside from this, but we are in a hurry. Get the roof on, so keep it as dry as possible. And once we get it dried in, guys can still come back and do all that work in the dry, even if it's a rainy day, which they like because they don't lose days. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next video.